In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace an employee on your schedule. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Then make sure you have a location selected and click on Schedules. Once you arrive at your list of schedules, choose the schedule you would like to replace an employee on. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Tools. Choose Replace Employee from the drop-down menu. Now you can choose an employee to replace. Click the arrow next to Replace and pick the person you want to replace on this schedule. Let's say Barbara. Then to choose who you want to replace that employee, click on the empty arrow next to With and choose another employee. TeamWork 5 will automatically have this replacement starting on the current day. You can limit this replacement to 1 day or a range of days. Let's say that Barbara had a family emergency and she's going to be gone for a couple of days. I'll click this calendar icon and choose to only replace her up to the 5th. If everything looks good, click Preview. A list of Barbara's shifts and Vera's shifts have now come up. As you can see, there are 2 conflicts with Vera picking up Barbara's shifts. She's already working on those days. If I want to go ahead and schedule her anyway, I can click these boxes, and now those shifts will be given to Vera. You can also see Vera is working 2 other shifts within that date range. If I want to, I can leave a note so that I can remember why I overbooked Vera. Maybe I'll put something like family emergency. If I do want to go ahead and replace Barbara with Vera on this day, I will click Replace. And now that replacement has gone into effect and all of those shifts have been moved over from Barbara to Vera. That's how you can replace one employee with another. Check out the next video to learn how to set up your custom autofill.